All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the noise outside, man. They out there cutting grass. So I'm sorry about that, guys. But today, you already know what time it is, man. I've been promising you guys this for since I've been dropping videos, man. This is like my first video. I told you guys that I was going to give you guys a strategy, guys. They already know, man. It's from the heart, guys. So I'm giving you this. I'm giving you this, man. This is free, guys. But I do want you guys to go check out the merch, right? You see the SMSFX, man. It is real. It's a reality. So you see all that little right there in the description or right below this video, man. Go ahead and buy some. Buy a face mask, man. Buy some type of merch, man. Go show love after you get done making these profits, man. Catching these pips off this strategy I'm about to get y'all boys. So, you know what I'm saying? All I'm saying is just, hey, go show some love on the merch, man. Go show some love on the merch, man. Go show some love on the merch, man. Go show some love on the merch. Anyways, man, y'all know what time it is, man. We about to step right into this video. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Yes, I do want to become a financial advisor, but that takes several years, guys. So, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and keep studying and keep looking into that. And then you feel me? I'm gonna keep bumping my game up, guys. But until then, man, y'all already know, man. It's your mentor, it's your favorite, it's your boy. Y'all already know, man. I'm already dropping bangers, man, and I'm trying to bless you guys. And so I'm glad that you guys are giving me your undivided attention. I'm glad you guys came with your notebooks, pads, pens, papers, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, right? Because we want to journal, our journey, right? We want to journal our journey into this Forex lifestyle, guys, because guess what? You know, once you learn this skill set, guys, you can go anywhere in the world. You can go live anywhere, guys. That's how I've been living in California, Dallas, man, traveling, dude, Vegas, LA, we've been all over the board, right? Denver, everywhere, guys. So anyways, man, I'm about to start this timer and then I'm about to show you guys this strategy, man. Y'all about to get up to these pips making this cash, man. So let me share the screen, and then let me jump right into it, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you guys situated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go go to indicators, right? And I'm gonna just type everything in because I got everything already there, right? So you want to type in this alligator right here, William Alligator. You want to click right there and leave the settings on, whatever the settings is at, guys. And that's facts, right? No cap. Then you want to go to the same thing, indicators, right? And then you want to type in SARS, quick way to get to it. Maybe not. Let me see, parabolic. You got to go to all right, parabolic SARS, right? Not the strategy, not none of that. If you want to use that, try to use that by yourself. That is not the strategy. I'm not teaching you that. Parabolic SARS, right? You go there, click on that, leave it exactly the way it is. Now you can change it to any color that you want to change it to, guys, but just understand and know that make sure it's something that you are able to see and look at, guys. Now we can go back and back test this strategy or whatnot, but I'm probably not gonna do. I probably am gonna do that just so I can show you guys pretty much how to use it. Right now, right now, okay, boom. When the SARs are at the top, that's resistance, so we're going for the sell. So when the green crosses over the orange and the blue, that means that the alligator is in the water. And then when the green crosses the orange and the blue up on the upside, that means the alligator is out of the water, guys. So that means we're looking for buys. So when it's in the water, we're looking for sales, and when it's above the water, we're looking for buys, guys. So I want to try to show you guys exactly how that works. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works right here in a downtrend right here. Now, mind you, guys, you still got to remember key levels. Don't forget, you got to you know, key levels, right? You got to have your key levels marked off. And you know, and you got to still remember exactly where you're at in the market. You still have to understand market structure too, guys, as this is working, right? Don't get it twisted like, oh, okay, well, you said once the alligator come out the water, you know, blase split, I'm supposed to be looking for buys. But just make sure that you got your areas marked off, your key areas marked off, as far as you know, just as far as make sure you got your key levels off, just as far as so you know where price could act up at or have problems at, guys. So always remember that. Let me see, I'm trying to zoom out a little bit so that I won't get anything too misconstrued on why you know, so much is going on here. But if we zoom out or back out, I already had these lines on here and I already had this chart marked up, right? it's a little messy, guys. So if I was you, I wouldn't try to be this messy. But you already know, man. Your boy, it's your boy, it's your boy. And sometimes, man, when I be in here digging deep, I be teaching so much different things that my charts may look a little crazy. But anyways, man, so I'm just trying to see why I had this line here. Okay, so I hit touch here, and then we got to touch here, guys. So that is why I had this line here. Don't mind all these other extra lines. It's clearly for teaching purposes. I had them here for teaching purposes, guys. So boom, boom, boom. All right, I delete a lot of these lines, get them all out of the way. I'm on she good. You know what I'm saying? I gotta be able to see good. What you doing, man? All right. So now remember, you got to get an overall bias, guys. So you got to come and look. You don't got to look at the weekly, but you feel me? You got to get an overall bias. You got to, zoom in. Like we had hits here, hits here, hits here. All right. So we already knew we was in this range right here. So then we dropped down to the 4 hour. Feel me good. So we got down to the 4 hour. I see this probably was me trying to show people everything or whatever, right? But anyways, right? So anyways, man, we got this down to the T. We in the 4 hour, right? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you see what I'm saying? You see this bullish channel, right? Bearish flag, you feel me? And that bear flag that drop like that right there. So now boom. So we know we got all that, right? We got all that in motion, right? So we got all that in motion. And then now, like I said, we'll drop down to like the 5 minute because this is the 5 minute is more so um um the 5 minute is more so it's more so for the strategy, guys, because it's a scalping strategy. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to throw you guys off, man. I'm just trying to make sure I'm telling you guys the right thing. The right thing. Okay, so this line right here that I got right here, these two lines right here, is from the is my ranging level. This is where prices, I know prices going from here to here to here, here. It's just ranging in this level right here. So that way I can execute my trade. So if I would have been right here, I would have took that sell down to here and would have got out at this blue. Blue right here, I would have took this buy all the way up to this red, never got out. I would have took the red all the way down to the blue. You feel me? That's how we doing it, right? So that's why that line is there. So I'm just making sure you guys understand. Then I want you guys to also see the trend that I got going on. So that's the flag. For me. So when you drop down to 5 minutes, I'm looking at my charts crazy. All right. So now we know where we at. All right. So you got to know where you at, guys. You have to know where you're at. So we know right here, this can be since we already in this push down to the downside, we see like, all right, this bearish channel, and then this could be a bullish flag, right? But we also know this level right here can be a turnaround level. So that's just me personally, guys. So you got to be able to understand that and know where you at in the market, man, before you're using this strategy. This strategy is not just like, oh, hey, this is a strategy. My man said, you can use this and you're going to be good. No, but yeah, right here, most definitely when you got this SAR right here and you seen maybe the second one you could have got in. I also use this strategy with binary, man. So binary options, guys. So try it out, man. So 5 minute time frame, right? So now I push play. All right. So, we're gonna see what's going on, see how you describe. All right, so now we seeing we getting this rejection right here at this buy zone right here. So we looking at this pure reversal right here. And we got Harami right here. So now you got price shooting down, right? You got price shooting down. So now you got price shooting down. You got price shooting down, you got your first start. So now you got your entry, right? Now you don't know where you want to take your entry. You can take it back down to this lower level right here. Or like I said, you can mark off levels, guys. You can mark these levels off so that you can understand. But you see the alligator going down into the water. You see a fourth star right here. So you see how price is steady pushing. All right, yeah, price steady pushing down, steady pushing down. Now, before you enter these, always make sure you guys get your exits. So before you get your entries, you get your exits. So like I said, when you're looking at patterns and things like that, that would have been just me, Harami, right here at this line right here where I know, okay, this could be a slight pullback and a continuation to the downside. Yeah, for sure. Plus I got other confirmations, guys. So I do use RSIs, stochastics and things like that nature. But if you want this type of mentorship where I can like shorten your learning curve, guys, man, I'm telling you, it's all up here. It's all up here because a person that's more what is it? A person that got their psychology together or their methodology down pat, man, I'm telling you, bro, the market is not gonna scare you out. It won't scare you. Now you see how you got this is why I wanted to show you. See how you got these stars right here and you see price steady pushing down, because remember, guys, you always remember, all right? Always remember, I taught you all of this. So you gotta put everything I taught you guys together as a one, right? So you seen price had created a, all right, that was the high. And price created a lower high. Then we get that push to the downside. Okay. So now we might get that retracement back up to here, or we might get a failure up to here, and then we might get another confirmed low to know if we want to continue staying in. But as long as the alligator is down, guys, I will still stay in. Like I said, I will always mark off my levels and things like that, and I will always pay attention to my RSI and my stochastics as well. And then, like I said, I will always have my exit points, so I would know, okay, if I had problems in the past all the way over here beforehand. All right, so we see that this level is starting to level out a little bit. We had a level right here, so we just trying to see if price break this level right here, right? And which, okay, it's breaking this level right here, or it's failing to break this level right here, this level down here. But you know, we got another confirmed low, guys. So as you see, we got the stars from the SAR right here pushing down. We got the green under in the water, and price continuously moving down, guys. So I don't want to bore you out with that, man. I just want you guys to see how this strategy works. It's the same thing, vice versa, as in the uptrend, right? It's the same thing as in an uptrend. As you can see, the green is still below. Price is still shooting down, guys. But we're trying to make sure we confirm these higher highs and higher lows. So you already know, man. Like I told y'all, man, I'm here to put y'all on game, and I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't want you guys to think like, oh, okay, you know, they some scammers, they scammed me, or this or that and the third. I want you guys to actually get into these markets, try these different strategies out, use them, come back and let me know if they work for you guys. So it's the same difference in the uptrend. We already know that the market has been very okay, boom. So we got one right here. But the market has been very, very volatile, right? You know, USD has been in an uptrend, so it's continuing going up. And yeah, that was my cue, guys. So I ain't trying to hold you guys too long. Then y'all not gonna watch the video. I do want to show you guys that this strategy works. So when, like I told you, when the green is above and you got SARS, D is gonna be your support now. So it was resistance on the top, now they support, right? And so now you see this big major rejection right here. So what we're going to do is we want to get us a line right here confirming. We want to make sure, hey, okay, this is the lowest point prices want to go. So if this is the lowest point price want to go, it's now support, right? So now we got that support line right here. And then we got the alligator out of the water. So then we can push play. And we're above our 200. Let's go. Let's see how this work out. So we got our SARS under here for support. And we above our well, we were above, right? But we got this break. Oh. See, you got scared and got fooled out. But you see this green, you got scared. Then you see this pullback right here. If you missed that, see, you already got scared, man. I ain't really want to use this one as an example because not all the time it's gonna be pretty like that. But then we had this pullback again, another failure of a low. What are you doing? All right. All right, so now you get what I'm saying, man. Just gotta pay attention. The green is above, steady pushing up, steady pushing up. And that's pretty much it, man. I'm giving out all the sauce, man. So look, man, you already know what it is, man. SMSFX, man. Go ahead and cop the merch, man. Go show some love, support, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, you already know, man. Go try this out right now, man. Go use this on a 5 to 1 minute time frame, man. Scalp. Get you in your bag, man. You already know time. Let's get it. Okay.